Top 5 Cybersecurity Project Ideas for Students in 2025. Looking to build a cybersecurity project that stands out in 2025? Here are 5 exciting and practical ideas to level up your skills and your portfolio. First, create an IoT vulnerability scanner. With smart devices everywhere, this tool scans for open ports, default credentials, and weak encryption in home networks. It's a hands-on way to understand real-world risks. Next, try a phishing email detection system using machine learning. Train a model to classify emails based on content, metadata, and suspicious patterns. It's a great mix of cybersecurity and data science. Third, develop a network intrusion detection system using Python. Use tools like Scapy to capture and monitor live traffic. Detect unusual IPs, port scans, or data floods, essential skills for ethical hackers. Fourth, build a digital forensics toolkit with Autopsy. Learn how to recover deleted files, extract browser history, and analyze disk images. This project is ideal for students interested in cybercrime investigations. Finally, set up a simulated cyber lab environment. Use virtual machines with Kali Linux, Metasploit, and Wireshark to test penetration techniques and defensive strategies in a safe, isolated setup. These projects don't just teach theory, they give you practical skills to handle real-world threats. Pick one and get started today. The cyber world needs your skills.